Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all well and having a fantastic day wherever you are in the world. So today, girlies, it is a challenge and this is part of a collab with the Patreon girls of Lou Stevenson. So I'll leave all the details down below of all the girls who are collaborating today. But oh my god, I'm actually looking forward to today's video. It's going to be very challenging and let's see what we can do. But before we do get started, give this a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, grab a cuppa and let's get into this challenge. Okay, so today's challenge is the one dip challenge. So basically I have to apply a full face of makeup, just only dipping my brush or my... And I asked about this, like basically what it is, just basically one pump has to cover my whole face. So we're going to see how we do, and basically I can't dip my brush in again. I have to just use whatever product is on the brush. So I'm going to make sure there's some product on there so that we can get a full face going. So let's get started. I think I should tie my hair back. Okay, so we're going to start off with primer. So we'll just do one little squeeze of primer. And then hopefully that is just going to cover my whole face. I am in absolute agony. I have not long got back from a run with my friend and my whole body is just aching. We did over 6k and I just honestly, because I'm obviously supposed to be slowly building the running back up, I'm just knackered. I'm absolutely knackered and I've been really back into my fitness all this week as well, so my arms are aching, everything is just hurting until I get myself back into routine with exercising. So yeah, I went in with the Instant Glow from Rodeo. Okay, so we're going to go in with the foundation and I'm just literally, that's all I can use for my foundation for my whole face, and I know it isn't going to be enough. So let's see what we're going to do and how we're going to work this one out. So if I take a little, does it mean like dipping back into that or, anyway, let's just rub it all in and see what happens. I think this is how I'm doing it anyway. So I've just basically, that was one pump, so that's like just one dip really, isn't it? And then I'm just going to apply this all over my face. Oh, this is so funny. I'm actually really excited and can't wait to see how all the other girls have got on and how they're doing with their challenge. I'll just get my mirror. So it's such a lovely day. We went to the park, the local park, and we got there for 10:30 and it was absolutely chocker. Like everyone is just out and about. And then by the time we left, I think we left about 12:15. Oh my gosh, it was so busy you couldn't move. I'm just actually surprised, but like how many people were out and about. But I suppose it's Sunday, the sun's out, everyone just wants to get on with their day. I need to change this foundation because it is drying me out for some reason. Okay, so foundation is on. I look a bit pale, don't I? I'm just going to go in with another brush just to blend that out. Okay. Then I'm going to go in with the brand new Peach Lowlighter from Rodeo. This was launched on Thursday or Friday. And I got it, no, it was on Thursday it was launched. And I got it through the post yesterday, so that's it now. I can only add that to wherever I want to put it. So then we'll dip it in. It's quite a bit of product as well, to be honest with you, so a little does go a long way. Okay, that's quite nice, that is. Just going to take this brush and then just blend that out. Maybe put that all around the eye just to give it a little base when I put the eyeshadow on. Okay, let's get some bronzer back on, get some warmth back into this face because I look too pale. I knew it. Yesterday I was wondering why there was chunks of makeup in my on my dressing table, and I found out why. Madam was playing with my makeup yesterday and she's gone and ruined my Marc Jacobs bronzer. Oh my god, got a hole in it. I'm gonna kill her. I'm absolutely gonna murder her. Okay, so this is just one dip, okay, and this has to last all over the face. So if we just put where we need it to go and then blend that after, we might just be able to work with this. I'm gonna kill my daughter. Can't believe she's ruined my bronzer. Okay. I'm absolutely gutted. Right, what else is next? Let's do some eyeshadow. So I'm gonna go in with this first, and this is Teta Tint, and it's a matte eyeshadow from MAC. My sister gave me a voucher because she came and took a whole load of makeup. She's like, oh, you can have my MAC voucher and you can go spend what you want. I was like, okay, thanks. So I got myself these two little eyeshadow pots. So this is Teta Tint, and this one is Naked Lunch. It's got like a pink shimmer to it, which is quite cute, and then that's just like a matte shade, like a nice natural nudie, well, tan shade, and that's gonna be like a can be like a transition colour. So this now has got to go on both eyes, so let's put some there and some there. Oh my god, this is gonna go wrong, isn't it? I need some more eyeshadow. Oh dear. I should have just put it all over the lid, really. And let's go in with the other shade. We won't tap any off, and then just blend it there. And oh. Okay, my eyes have completely failed. Oh dear me. You need more than one, definitely, when it comes to your eyeshadow. Okay, so eyeshadow is total fail. It's gone very light, so yeah. You need more than one dip when it comes to your eyeshadow, for sure. Then we're going to go in with some blusher. Where's my brush? Oh. Okay. Let's go in with... Right. Ready? I'm sorry about the voice. Oh my god. Can I not like go over my foundation brush just to make that less in your face? Trying to blend it out. Okay, and then we're going to go in, oh, I've got to get it. We're going to go in with the Spectrum mascara, and I used the Foundation Flamingo blusher. Okay, so mascara, I can only do one dip, so this has got to go on both. I've got no eyeshadow on, it's literally failed that side. Ow. Okay, so I haven't put it back in. Ah, done it again. Okay, well, that's the mascara done. I'm wondering with eyeliner, just one line, isn't it? It will be one line classed as a one dip. Let's just try it. Okay. Yeah. And then lipstick. Should we go for a gloss? Let's go for a gloss. So we're going to go in with the Revolution Pro Hydrate Matte Lipstick in the shade Primer. I do like this, so. That's on my teeth. There you go. Oh my god, I need to like, my nose is so sore. My face is all dry. I need to go and get, oh, highlighter, go put some highlighter on. I need to go and get some water because I feel really dehydrated. I've been out, but I really did a good facial before I left and my skincare routine. Let's just use this. Okay, so, no, I need to use the brush on it's going to go on. Okay, let's use this. Right, so, ready? Put that there and there, and hopefully we've got some glow going on as well. Put that down the nose. I need to get rid of the mascara that's gone everywhere. Oh, thanks. Like literally ruined my eyeshadow because I've put mascara on there. So we've got the highlighter on. And there you go. The one dip challenge done. What can I do? So yeah, do you think I should just add a couple more? Let me just put another shade into the eyeshadow. I think that's what, so we can just look a bit like I've got some sort of makeup on. So let's go in with, let's go in Low Cut. Okay, which is this shade here, that one down there, and that's from the Laura Lee Nude palette. And then just, just goes onto one lid. Okay, we've got something going on. So there you have it, guys. That is the one dip challenge done. I hope it's okay. I need to like just maybe blend that out a little bit so it's not too in your face. Okay, I didn't put no product on, I just brushed it out. So yeah, that is the one dip challenge. I hope you enjoyed it and did a good job. I mean, obviously the eyes didn't work out as we wanted it to, but you know, you obviously need to do more than one dip when it comes to the eyeshadow. So yeah, so that's it, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you all on another day on Beauty and the Kids. And don't forget to go and check out all the other girls who are collaborating today, and I'll leave all their details down below. Bye.